Hello, my name is Mahfoud. In this video, we'll talk about two types of adjectives which end with either ed or ing, like tired, bored, tiring, boring. What's the difference? Of course, they are both adjectives. Let's see example here. He is tired. They are bored. Have you noticed something? So adjective with ed describes always the people. Okay, as you can see in these subjects here. The other side, the other example. What a tiring exercise. What a boring place. So here, boring and tiring describes objects or things. So we conclude that adjectives with ed describes the people, and adjectives with ing describes the objects and things. But is it correct if we say he is tiring, they are boring with ing? The answer is yes, but the meaning is not the same. And if we say he is tiring, it doesn't mean he is tired. It means he is causing tiredness to someone, for example. I hope now we have an idea about the difference between the two. If you like the video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, try to subscribe to my channel to receive many of these videos. I hope I can see you in the next video. Bye.